With 4.6 million views and this incredible queso pour, I knew that I had to try this recipe. So let's give it a try together and see what we think. It is a one-pot dish. Here's everything that we need. We're going to start with 2 packs of Knorr Mexican rice, 1 packet of taco seasoning or 3 tablespoons. Then we need 3 cups of chicken broth. If I need just a few cups, I always go for my Knorr chicken bouillon. It is the best. It is so good. Highly recommend. Let's put in 1 jar of salsa. We need 3 cups of cooked chicken. Give that a good mix to combine all of those flavors together. And then we're going to add 2 cups of shredded cheese. I used Colby Jack. You can use your favorite. Get that evenly over the top. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then we're going to cover this up with aluminum foil very tightly. And then we'll pop it in the oven and we're going to cook it for 45 minutes. Once we take it out, we can uncover it right away. Put your queso dip into the microwave to get it heated so that you can get this incredible pour as well. We want that evenly poured over the top. So let's just spread that out. This way you have a little bit of queso in every bite, and it is well worth it. Let me tell you, this was so delicious. Look how amazing that looks. You can either eat it as is or treat it like a taco and put your favorite taco toppings on it. It is so good. I think this is something the whole family will love, and I love that it's a one-pot dish. Enjoy. Let me know what you think if you give it a try.